Hey everyone, and welcome back. This is Carl from Techful Goodies, and today we are going to be unboxing the GLAStR Easy Fit screen protector by Spigen. I'll be applying this to my new iPhone 14 Pro Max. I've currently got the Toros crystal clear case. I'm actually very much enjoying the case. The feel is very nice. It's not too sticky to the touch, but it also doesn't let things slide around too much. And it actually feels like I don't even have a case on at all, but either way, time to take it off so that we can apply the screen protector. Set that aside, and let's go ahead and unbox this GLAStR Easy Fit screen protector. Now the reason I got this is because it is the absolute best, the way they protect the screen and the way you apply it. I mean, I've had so many screen protectors in the past where I've tried to line it up perfectly with the screen and had to take it off and reapply it, but this one has the easy apply adapter, so let me pull it out so you can see it. So as you can see, it comes with pretty much everything that you need. You have actually two of them in the box, which is very nice. In case one of them somehow gets messed up or you have a problem, it comes with two. Comes with a small little squeegees for you to be able to push out any air bubbles. Comes with some instructions. Also comes with a standard set of lens cleaning wipes, a microfiber cloth, some dust stickers to be able to pull off the dust right before applying, and how to remove bubbles. Basically a quick little video on to show you how to do that, but I think we can figure it out. So the first thing we have on the instructions here is to use the cleaning wipe. And now that that's done, they want you to take these little stickers here. They're basically dust removal stickers. I'll hold that a little closer to the screen so you can read it. And it's basically just a sticky back piece of paper that allows you to dab across your screen in order to pull off all the little dust particles that might have gotten on there. Next step is to take the actual screen protector, and we're going to pull off this back film. Now you're going to want to be very careful when you pull off this back film because it is connected to the actual screen protector, so you don't want to pull off the whole screen protector from the unit, okay? So you'll be very gentle, pull this off, and we are ready to apply. Make sure you look at your phone, figure out which side is up. It says top right here, and this perfectly aligns right onto the phone. Press it down, and they want you to basically slide your finger along here, press down evenly across the whole entire thing, and we're going to wait for 30 seconds. I will turn this around. Okay, I can't wait. So now the next step is to make sure everything's pressed down. We're going to remove it from here. Remove the sticker. And that basically releases the screen protector from this plastic alignment device. Take it off, and then pull the outer plastic off. And you may see some bubbles. You can see in here, I have got a couple bubbles, but that's why they give you the squeegee. Basically work these bubbles towards the edge. And I like to take the small little cleansing cloth that they gave you. It has a little bit of moisture in it, and it's very easy to kind of slide some of these extra little bubbles that might be a little tougher to get out. And there we go. Perfectly aligned screen protector, ready to protect your device. I see I have a small little bubble right here. Hold it up into the reflection. And that is looking pretty good. Perfectly aligned around the edges. And ready for my case to go back on. No issue with the alignment of the case with the screen protector. Everything's back on. We'll give a little clean here. Make sure any of the fingerprints that I just added to it are gone. Take the microfiber at the very last here. Clean it up. And there you have it. Perfectly aligned screen protector. Great product from Spigen. I'll put the links down below. Carl from Techful Goodies, out.